Okay, so applying equivalent ratios to a GCSE style question. So we've got Rosa prepares ingredients for a pizza. She uses cheese, topping and dough in the ratio 2 to 3 to 5. So that's key information there. 2 to 3 to 5. And always remember, look for the order. So we've got cheese, so C comes first, then topping, so T for topping, and then D for dough. So that's the order. Cheese, for every 2 cheese, there are 3 topping and then 5 lots of dough. Rose uses 70 grams of dough, so 70 grams of dough. So underneath the dough, I'm going to pop this 70 because that's what it relates to. Then I'm going to read the final part of the question, work out the number of grams of cheese and topping that is needed. So think about equivalent ratios. I've got some information. This is the most important piece here. For every 5 lots of dough, I need to work out how to scale that up to get to 70. Then once I know that, I can use equivalent ratios for all the other parts. So 5 times something gets me to 70. If it's a calculator paper, you can use your calculator, work out the inverse operation. Instead of 5 times something to get 70, the question mark must be inverse of times is divide, so 70 divided by 5. So if that's calculator, grab your calculator. Remember, if it's not, then a quick pizza division and split it up into 5. So either way you do that, you end up with 14. So if you did it that way, you could put 10 in each and then 4, etc. But you get 14, and that's going to tell you what your time's in by. So 5 lots of 14 is 70. Remember, that is not the answer. That's telling us how we're going to scale up the dough to get to 70. So I now need to do the same to all parts of the ratio. So I now need to do 2 times 14. 2 14s, that's going to give us 28 for that part of the ratio. And then 3 lots of 14, that's going to get us 42 for the second part. So if we answer the question, the cheese, underneath the cheese is the 28, so that's 28 grams. And then the topping is 42. And that's your 3 marks done.